Here's a basic underhood condenser installation kit on a 70 to a 74 E-body. This happens to be a 73 Barracuda. It came originally with factory air conditioning. As you can tell, at the firewall you see your evaporator nuts coming out from the evaporator. As you can see, we've went here and it is a small block Mopar Performance 380 horsepower crate motor with the passenger side offset intake manifold. We used one of our bracket part numbers 4730, one of the Shorty 7312 compressors, a 4012 crank pulley, and a 4015 water pump pulley. It utilizes a standard style Chrysler single groove alternator. As you can see, it's a nice clean application. It does have power steering on it. From that point there, we routed all the hosing. All of it comes in the kit. All the barrier hosing, all the fittings, basically everything comes in the kit but Freon and somebody to do it and bubble crimp the fittings. We custom the condenser that's in this car is a new high performance style high flow multi-pass condenser, much better than the original serpentine condensers. Makes the interior temperature of the car much colder. This system is suited for War 134, as you can see. And the only thing, if you have to work anything at all, it comes with universal condenser brackets. But the bracketry, if you work with them, you can just about use some of the original stuff. As you can see here, we're actually using the original upper pieces and just making some brackets for them. You can put the condenser in where both lines come out one side. We just wanted this one to look and route the way the original one did. It comes with all the electronics. It comes with the up-to-date receiver dryer, low pressure. It's actually called a binary switch. It's actually a low pressure and a high pressure switch to salvage a system just in case a Walmart bag gets in the condenser going down the road. We also mount back here, you can't hardly see, a clutch cycling switch. It actually has a temperature probe that goes up to the suction line, cycles the compressor when it gets cold enough. Kit comes in an expansion valve. This is called Permagum. It comes with the wiring instructions, and as you can tell, it's a very neat, clean type installation. It works out very well, and we've put a lot of time in the kit, and I don't believe there's probably a better one on the market. And all you have to do is basically know what size engine you're working with, because we make all these kits to work with everything from small blocks to Magnum crate engines to all the big blocks and including the Hemis. One other little point you pay attention to is you must always use a good shroud. We do press and tell you in the instructions to try to use a thermal clutch fan and at least a 6 or a 7 blade fan. Needless to say, the whole object is trying to get air to move through the radiator, through the condenser, which makes your interior temperature work, and it's very cold then. Inside the car, everything inside is all original. You don't generally have to do anything, and that's accepting that the original evaporator and the heater and the blower fan and all are in good working order. Stay tuned for anything new we may be coming up, and we'll try to make more videos as we go along.